Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into an epic showdown. The MacBook Pro M4 versus the Dell XPS 14. Both are powerful machines, but which one truly deserves your hard-earned money? Watch till the end because I'll reveal which one is the clear winner for performance, design, and value. Plus, I've included links in the description box with the latest prices and deals, so don't miss out on that. And hey, if you enjoy this video, hit that like button. It helps me out a ton and keeps the content coming. Let's get started. When comparing the MacBook Pro M4 and Dell XPS 14, the performance differences come down to the unique strengths of their processors and optimizations. The MacBook Pro M4 leverages Apple's Silicon architecture, delivering exceptional power efficiency and integration between hardware and macOS. Its performance in tasks like video rendering, app development, and multitasking is often bolstered by its unified memory design and advanced GPU capabilities. On the other hand, the Dell XPS 14, equipped with Intel's Core Ultra 7 155H processor and an optional NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 GPU, offers robust performance for Windows users. Its discrete GPU gives it an edge in creative applications like 3D modeling and gaming, though its 30-watt GPU tuning might limit its full potential. Real-world benchmarks reveal both devices excel in productivity workloads, with the MacBook leaning towards longer battery life and seamless ecosystem features, while the XPS 14 shines in customization and graphical versatility. The M4 chip in the MacBook Pro 14-inch and the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H in the Dell XPS 14 represent fundamentally different approaches to laptop processing. The M4, designed specifically for Apple Silicon, leverages a system-on-a-chip architecture, integrating the CPU, GPU, neural engine, and memory into a single unit. This tight integration optimizes data flow and significantly enhances power efficiency compared to the traditional x86 architecture employed by the Core Ultra 7 155H. The M4 excels in performance across a wide range of tasks, demonstrating impressive speed in CPU-intensive workloads like video editing and 3D rendering. Its integrated GPU delivers robust graphics performance suitable for casual gaming and demanding creative applications. Notably, the M4 is renowned for its exceptional power efficiency, enabling significantly longer battery life compared to many Intel-based laptops, including the XPS 14. This is crucial for all-day productivity and uninterrupted workflows. Furthermore, the dedicated neural engine within the M4 accelerates machine learning tasks, enabling faster performance for AI-powered features like on-device Siri, photo editing with Apple Intelligence, and other AI-driven applications. In contrast, the Core Ultra 7 155H, based on the x86 architecture, offers a high core count and robust performance in demanding workloads. The x86 architecture also provides greater platform flexibility, allowing for a wider range of hardware and software compatibility. The XPS 14 offers the option of dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPUs, providing significantly more powerful graphics performance for demanding tasks like gaming and professional content creation. Ultimately, the choice between the M4 and Core Ultra 7 155H depends on individual needs and priorities. If you prioritize performance, efficiency, and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem, the M4 chip in the MacBook Pro 14-inch is an excellent choice. If you require greater flexibility, access to a wider range of software, and the option for high-end discrete graphics, the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H in the Dell XPS 14 may be a better fit. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M4 chip and the Dell XPS 14 offer different display technologies with distinct strengths. The MacBook Pro boasts a stunning Retina XDR display with mini LED backlighting, delivering exceptional brightness, contrast, and HDR performance. This display is ideal for professionals working with high dynamic range content, such as photographers and videographers. On the other hand, the Dell XPS 14 offers an OLED display option, known for its deep blacks, infinite contrast, and vibrant colors. OLED displays generally excel in color accuracy, making them a preferred choice for graphic designers and content creators who require precise color reproduction. While the MacBook Pro's mini LED display delivers impressive brightness and contrast, OLED technology generally offers superior black levels and a wider color gamut. However, the MacBook Pro's ProMotion technology, which dynamically adjusts the refresh rate, can provide a smoother and more responsive visual experience for tasks like gaming and video editing. Ultimately, the choice between the two displays depends on individual needs and preferences. If you prioritize deep blacks, vibrant colors, and exceptional color accuracy, the Dell XPS 14's OLED display might be more appealing. However, if you require high brightness, excellent HDR performance, and a smooth, responsive display for demanding tasks, the MacBook Pro's Retina XDR display could be the better choice. The MacBook Pro 14-inch with the M4 chip boasts significantly longer battery life compared to the Dell XPS 14. This impressive endurance stems from several key factors. Firstly, Apple's M-series chips, including the M4, are renowned for their exceptional power efficiency. Designed specifically for Apple Silicon, these chips exhibit a remarkable level of integration between hardware and software. This optimized architecture results in significantly lower power consumption compared to traditional x86 processors like the Intel Core Ultra 7 155H found in the XPS 14. Secondly, macOS is meticulously optimized to work seamlessly with Apple Silicon. This includes features like intelligent power management, which dynamically adjusts power consumption based on the current workload. This system-wide optimization further enhances the MacBook Pro's battery life. Furthermore, the MacBook Pro 14-inch utilizes a mini LED display with ProMotion technology. ProMotion dynamically adjusts the refresh rate of the display based on the content being displayed, further conserving power. Finally, Apple's tight control over both hardware and software allows for a more holistic approach to power management. This includes features like idle sleep and background app management, which minimize power consumption when the laptop is not actively in use. These factors combine to provide the MacBook Pro 14-inch with significantly longer battery life compared to the Dell XPS 14. This translates to extended usage times between charges, making it an ideal choice for users who require all-day battery life for work, travel, or entertainment. The choice between macOS and Windows 11 depends heavily on your individual workflow and preferences. macOS is known for its user-friendly interface, seamless integration with Apple devices, and strong focus on creativity and productivity. Its ecosystem seamlessly integrates with iPhones and iPads, enabling features like universal control and handoff. macOS also boasts a robust app store with a curated selection of high-quality applications. Windows 11, on the other hand, offers greater flexibility and compatibility with a wider range of hardware and software. It provides access to a vast library of games and professional software, and its extensive customization options cater to a wider range of user preferences. Ultimately, the best operating system for you depends on your specific needs and priorities. If you prioritize seamless integration with other Apple devices, a user-friendly interface, and a focus on creativity and productivity, macOS may be the better choice. However, if you require greater flexibility, compatibility, and access to a wider range of software, Windows 11 might be a better fit. Consider factors such as your existing software ecosystem, your preferred workflow, and your level of comfort with different operating systems when making your decision. In my opinion, the MacBook Pro M4 edges out as the ultimate winner thanks to its unmatched efficiency, seamless macOS integration, and powerhouse performance, especially for creative professionals. However, the Dell XPS 14 offers solid versatility for Windows users.